Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up Gmail account, follow these step-by-step instructions to ensure everything is properly managed and you achieve the best results. Step 1. Open your web browser and navigate to the official website. Look for the Sign Up or Create Account button prominently displayed on the home page. Step 2. Click on the Registration button and you'll be directed to the account creation page where you'll enter your personal information. Step 3. Provide your full name, email address, and create a strong password. Make sure your password contains uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters for security. Step 4. Enter additional required information such as your phone number, date of birth, and address. This information is necessary for account verification and security purposes. Step 5. Review and accept the terms of service and privacy policy. Make sure to read through these documents to understand your rights and responsibilities. Step 6. Complete the verification process by checking your email for a confirmation link. Click on the link to verify your email address and activate your account. Step 7. Set up additional security features such as two-factor authentication to protect your account from unauthorized access. Step 8. Complete your profile by adding any remaining information required. This may include payment methods, preferences, or additional verification documents depending on the service. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.